So hi everyone, my name is Angela Jane B. Oho, and now we're gonna talk about telephone etiquette to be answered by D group.
Hi guys, we are the D.
I'm Alex Lay. I'm Gladys Lobea.
I'm Nicole. And I'm Marielle.
So first question, Lay, what does good phone etiquette mean to you?
To me, it's not just being polite and respectful, saying hello, not interrupting and not yelling into the phone. Basically, treating the person you're calling as someone na andyan sa tapat mo or nasa katabi mo.
Second question for Gladwin. Can you think of a time someone had really bad phone manners?
Oh yeah, when someone answered my call with just what? No hello, no name. I feel so good. I almost hung up.
Next question for Nicole. How should someone answer a phone call professionally?
Something simple like good morning. Hi, this is Nicole. How can I help you? It's polite, clear, and sets the right tone.
Next question for Marielle. It is rude to decline a call and text instead?
Not at all. As long as follow up with quick message, I can talk now and I call you later. It's totally fine.
Hi guys, we are the group.
My name is Salazar Macadu.
My name is Marcos Gonzalvo.
My name is Alfredo Reyes.
My name is Alfonso.
First question for Andretti. Do you think phone manners still matter today?
Yes, definitely. Even with texting and messaging apps, there is still situation like job, interviews, or customer service, where phone manners can really leave an impression.
Second question for Carlos. It is okay to multitask while on the phone?
I get the temptation, but usually no people can tell where you're disturbed. Unless it's just a casual chat, I try to stay focused.
Question for Justin. Do you leave voicemails?
I do, but I keep them short. Just quickly, hi, it's me. Call me back when you can. Long voicemail feel the outdated now.
Okay.
Next question for Salazar. What are some phone habits that bother you?
Talking super loud in public, putting me in speaker without asking or answer in a bad mood. Those are all thought for me.
That's all for today. Bye.